Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome back to the tutorial on the exercises from textbook Microeconomics Theory and Applications with Calculus, the 5th edition by Professor Jeffrey Perloff. I wish you a Merry Christmas, and may peace and love be with you in this holiday season and in all the seasons of the year to come. We will continue working on the solutions to Chapter 12. We will tackle the problems related to advertising today. Let's start with exercise 7.1. Show how a monopoly would solve for its optimal price and advertising level if it sets price instead of quantity. We assume each unit of advertising costs $1. The monopoly chooses the optimal price of the product and the quantity of advertising to maximize its profit. The first-order conditions are found by differentiating the profit function pi with respect to P and A. The profit-maximizing monopoly price P star and the advertising levels A star simultaneously satisfy the first-order conditions. Let's solve exercise 7.2. The demand of a monopoly phases is as follows. Q is its quantity, P is its price, and A is its level of advertising. Its marginal cost of production is 10, and its cost of a unit of advertising is 1. What is the firm's profit equation? Solve for the firm's profit maximizing price, quantity, and level of advertising. The monopoly maximizes its profit by choosing output Q and level of advertising A. The profit function pi has 3 terms. Its revenue minus its cost. The revenue is a function of output and advertising. The firm's cost includes production cost and advertising cost. The first-order conditions are found by differentiating the profit function pi with respect to Q and A. We have equation 1 and equation 2. We know the inverse demand function so that we can write the revenue function and the marginal revenue functions. We also know the marginal cost of production and the marginal cost of advertising. Thus, we can simplify equation 1 and equation 2 and find the solutions. The optimal output Q star and the optimal level of advertising A star simultaneously satisfy the first-order conditions. We then find the monopoly price from the inverse demand function. Let's go to exercise 7.3. What is the monopoly's profit maximizing output Q and level of advertising A if it faces a demand curve as follows? Its constant marginal cost of producing output is M, and the cost of a unit of advertising is 1. The monopoly maximizes its profit by choosing output Q and the level of advertising A. We write the firm's revenue function. The first-order conditions are found by differentiating the profit function pi with respect to Q and A. We have equation 1 and equation 2. we know the inverse demand function so that we can write the revenue function and the two marginal revenue functions. We also know the marginal cost of production and the marginal cost of advertising. Thus, we can simplify equation 1 and equation 2 and find the solutions. The profit maximizing output Q star and level of advertising A star simultaneously satisfy the first order conditions. Let's solve exercise 7.4. For every dollar spent on advertising pharmaceuticals, revenue increases by about $4.2. If this number is accurate and the firms are operating rationally, what can we infer about marginal production and distribution costs? At equilibrium, the marginal revenue equals the marginal cost. The marginal revenue is $4.2. The marginal cost includes two parts. One is the marginal cost of advertising, and the other is the marginal cost of production and distribution. Therefore, the marginal production and distribution cost should be 4.2 minus 1 equals $3.2. Let's tackle exercise 7.5. Using a diagram similar to figure 12.7 to illustrate the effect of social media on the demand for Super Bowl commercials. Without the social media, the demand curve is D1. The advertisements often go viral on the internet and are exposed to more people. As a result, social media shifts the demand curve to the right. For each given price, more consumers are willing to purchase the products. The diagram is as follows. Without social media, the original marginal revenue curve intersects the marginal cost curve in Q1. The monopoly optimum is E1, and the monopoly price is P1. With social media, the demand curve, the monopoly phases shifts to the right from D1 to D2. The corresponding marginal revenue curve intersects the marginal cost curve at output Q2. In the new equilibrium E2, the monopoly charges P2. The original producer surplus is the black rectangle. The new producer surplus is the sum of the black and blue areas. The monopoly's gross profit rises with social media. Thank you so much for watching this video and solving all the exercises with me today. See you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.